Guys, doing a quick review of the Husky rear cargo mat. Just got in today. Didn't find a lot of video online. The fit of this, found a couple on the WeatherTech, but wanted to do a quick review. This is a 2017 TRD Pro. I got the rear installed in case you guys want to see the fit versus WeatherTech on this. This was the rear. Going through, checking the fit under the rear power outlet. Moving on to the front here. And down, so far so good. Pretty happy with the fit. So far, as the previous videos on the Husky mats on the front, it does cover up the footrest on your left. I got it to where I kind of tucked it underneath the center plastic well there. Pretty easy to install, not a lot of big gaps. I know some of the complaints on the WeatherTech was a rather large gap in that area there, or a big unnecessary lip. Here we don't get, I see the channel here rises up quite a bit where I can, maybe some dirt could make its way up underneath there, but not going to get too nitty about it. Go around to the other side, and same story on the passenger side. Moving in, I know these are not going to be perfect. There's pretty good lip right there. I don't know, getting in and out, your foot may get caught, but again, no big deal. Again, the channel there, rear fit, and not quite sure why they do the sort of the grips over the fender well. I would have liked that fit to be a little bit more flush, and I think we could have got there if the grips weren't there. So regardless, on this side, same story. They did tuck in well. The edges, but the main area of concern is coming back to the rear cargo mat, which I have here. It comes rolled up, and sorry for the shaky video here. I'm rolling this guy out. Sure how this is supposed to fit. Feels a little flimsy for my liking, but I'm assuming it's supposed to press up against the rear here. Was considering the canvas back as well, steel may for the rear seats in case they're hauling bikes. So don't scratch up that rear seat, but only really one way to go in. You can kind of see again, just a little flimsy for me, but for the job that's going to do, protecting the rear, should be fine. Check the functionality, all there, no big deal. But that's the review of the rear liner.